Hello everyone, I'm Petr. I am CEO and Chief Scientist of Track Biotechnologies, and at Track Bio we're accelerating longevity with AI-driven phenotyping. Just to give you an overview of behavior analysis within the drug discovery field, it takes around 20% of the time to do behavioral phenotyping in the preclinical stage, and around 25% of the time of the drug discovery process to do physical function assessment in the clinical stage. So the problem at the preclinical level is that it's low throughput, costly and labor intensive to do behavioral phenotyping. So it takes a lot of money and time to do these experiments, in mice and flies particularly. And in the clinical side, it's low throughput, costly, and also labor intensive for these studies. So our mission at Track Bio is to transform and accelerate drug discovery and longevity of automated phenomics at Track Bio at each step of the drug discovery process. So the needs of the preclinical stage are that there needs to be an improvement in animal welfare, a reduction in cost and time spent at these experiments, and also richer data sets, and bias needs to be removed. So what we developed is a single solution, a single device for non-invasive, in situ, unbiased, high-throughput real-time analysis of collection of phenotypic data. And at the clinical level, we're doing a similar philosophy. We want a simpler way to collect gate kinematic data and a simpler way to analyze that data and improve insights from those data collected. And the solution is a non-invasive two-camera setup that performs gate collection, analysis, and analytic insights that are all automated. So with our platform, our value proposition is that you can perform 5 times as many studies and discover 5 times as many drugs based on our analyses of the time spent on these studies. And with our preclinical platform, we have 2 systems right now. So there are Track Flybox and Track Mouse Watcher. And these record videos from each animal model. This data is uploaded into the cloud or on-prem processing, if you prefer that. And the data is displayed on a dashboard. And you can also download an on-demand PDF summary and raw data from this platform. Our clinical platform consists of a similar setup. So you have your gate analyzed from a video. And this data is uploaded to cloud as well, or on-prem processing. And you can download a PDF of this data in the raw data as well. And we're working on age and disease predictors. So our products and services consist of either you can purchase the hardware and have a SaaS subscription for the software, or we can perform those experiments as a CRO at our facilities in Virginia, USA. And our market is, the total market we estimate is 11 billion annual revenue, and the percent of the share of market estimated is 4%. That. So achievements to date include we've raised up to $75,000, and we've established our CRO services. Our fly box is ready for use, and we have a handful of clients, and we built our own custom incubators. So thanks very much, and we're seeking to work with more labs, CROs, and partnerships as well. So.
Thank you, Michael. Sergey?
Thank you very much. So I have 2 questions. First one is traction. So a handful of clients, if you can unpack this for us, that'll be helpful. And then the second one is, how do you defend these claims? I mean, 5 times more drug candidates?
Yeah.
Was that the one? So the 5 times slide.
Sure.
So how do you actually, why not 4?
It's a great question.
Why not 6?
So the first question was the traction of clients.
Yeah.
So we have just a handful. We've actually this summer started working with a few industrial and academic labs. So that's our initial traction. So we're still a very young company since October. And for the 5 times claim, this is an estimate based on the amount of time we've saved by not performing the behavioral assessments in the animal models and the clinical side. So it's just an estimate at this point.
Does this compare with the traditional methods? Do you measure?
Yeah, so traditional methods, for example, in mouse studies, you have to go in and check every day if the mouse is healthy, whereas with our system, you don't have to do that. It's a camera-based, so this is uploaded into a dashboard, and then if you're doing extra behavioral analyses, this is all analyzed with the same system, same mouse, for example. So normally it takes an hour per mouse to do, on average, to each assessment. So we're removing, if you're doing like a 50 mouse lifespan study, you're removing that 50 hours per month experiment.
So a quick suggestion: whenever you throw in 5 times faster, 5 times cheaper, etc., maybe even go as far as making like a very simple calculation on the slide for everyone to see.
Yeah.
Because I can buy the cheaper part because, well, you kind of need less personnel hours, etc. Faster part I don't buy,
Sure.
at least from what I've seen.
Thank you. Thanks for the feedback.